What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be removing some paint off of plastic that was painted over. Let's get into it. Woo! Okay, so these are the two plastics. There's the white back fenders, and then these are supposed to be black, but somebody painted them blue. So we're gonna put some of this paper stuff down right here on the floor, but first we gotta sweep it up. Let's start sweeping, and then we'll get back to you when we're done with the paper. Woo. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use that paintbrush and put some of this stuff on it, and I'll rub it on there, and then leave it sit, and then there should be like bubbly stuff, and then that'll like show that it's like working, and then after like 10 minutes, like scrub it off with that thing, and it should be all there. So let's get to it. Gotta get this open and on a paintbrush. Let's go. I'm gonna put some of this stuff on here. And then I'm gonna use this paintbrush and put it all over here. And that way, all of this blue will come off, because it's supposed to be black, and we really want it off because black, they only made it 1 year, and it's pretty rare. So, not many people have it. So, we'll catch back when it starts to bubble and stuff. So let's go. Okay, so we're just gonna put it on this whole fender right now, and then just so it can do its thing, and then we'll get you guys when it's all like ready to go. So we're gonna put a bunch of this on here. That should be plenty. Grab the paintbrush. I'm a painter now. Not really. Just gotta put a bunch of this stuff all over this thing. And then it should. We tried a little bit last night just to make sure it worked. It's down there in that corner, and it worked. So we're gonna put this on here and hope everything comes off nice and good. We're gonna need a little bit more here. There we go, a little bit on here. And a bunch. Put all of it on here. The other side of this part, like over there, has like, I don't know what's on there, but somebody put something completely different on that. It looks like the blue is off, but on that side, somebody just like put something on it. And I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It's like hard and stuff. So, we're just gonna get this. So we'll catch you guys back here when it's all ready to take off. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the bubbles that are on it. See all of those bubbles all over it? That means it's pulling off the paint really good. So we have to wait like 10 minutes more, and it should be all ready to come off. Let's go. So it's been about 10 minutes on this side, so we're gonna get scraping off. Oh, look at all that coming off. How easy that was. Yeah, somebody definitely sprayed some blue spray paint on here. For what reason, I don't know. But I like the black color, it looks good. So it's gonna be like a black and a white. So basically what happened with the white fenders over there is, so they were white originally, and then somebody painted them with white again. So we're just gonna get the white paint off that they put on there, back off, and do this like a couple times just to make sure it all comes off, but that's just what's gonna have to happen. Because it doesn't look like it's coming off right away, like with the first little coating. So we're gonna wait a little bit for the back right here on the back until it's all ready. So once it's ready, pick your eyes up and we'll shave that off. Let's go. Okay, so it's been some time and we're gonna scrape this stuff off. That is coming off wonderfully. It looks great under here.
Looks pretty nice.
Yeah, I don't know why somebody painted it.
And
Pretty stupid of them.
if it's like a rare black color, then why paint it?
They must not have known that.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm liking it. It looks good.
Yep.
Getting a bunch of blue paint. Gotta keep like freshening it out every once in a while. Okay guys, so we're gonna do as much as we can right now on the whole entire thing, and then we'll get back with you guys when we're all done. Let's get it. Okay guys, so we did so much work on this thing. Most of it off, some little parts like right there, I still gotta get off yet, but for the most part, it's all off. The next thing we have to do, we're gonna keep working on this and then we'll catch back up. But what we'll have to do next is the rear plastic. It doesn't look like there's paint on it, but if you see right here, somebody painted over it with white paint again. So we're just have to get that stuff off too. And yeah, let's finish working on that. Let's get it. Okay guys, so it's pretty much done. That's as much as we can get off. Like some of this part, like over here, I can't get some of this off, but we'll work on it a little bit later. But now we're gonna set this aside, and we're gonna get working on the back half and see how well that comes off. And we'll show you guys some of the processes like we did with the first one. So let's get into it. Yeah, guys, we're gonna take another look at the stuff in the deeper detail. Let's go. Okay guys, so we just put a bunch of this stuff on here right now, and it's already bubbled up pretty good. Oh my gosh, did you see that? It's already coming off pretty easy. I hope it comes off the whole thing like easy. This one was really hard because there was a lot more grooves and crevices to get in. And there's none of like this stuff, like this liner that goes in there on this. There's paint inside here, but that's going to be covered up by the seat, so we're not going to put anything like inside this, like in there. We may at another time, but not right now. We're just trying to get the main part done. We're going to scrape it off right now, or most of it. It looks like there's oily stuff under there. But, that comes off. That comes off pretty easy. We got this bucket of water over here, because, so we can clean the brush off. I don't really need to, because it gets pretty messy pretty fast, as you saw. So we're gonna get rolling with this, and we'll pick back up when most of it's done. Let's get it. Okay, so we basically finished the white, and we are just putting a little more of the plastic take your offer stuff on here. The only part that we really have an issue with is getting off is this corner, because there was a bunch of like extra stuff on it and we're trying to get it to come off now, but other than that, we got all the little like dots off over here because Colin, cameraman, has been slaving away over there, and he's been helping me with this whole project, which helps me a lot. So I have to take off this little bit right here that I put the remover stuff on, and that should be it. It literally pulled off the flat plastic on the warning sign. That's funny. But that should be it right here. So that's all for right now, and we're gonna keep working on just the little like dots and stuff, trying to get it off and make it all perfect right now. So we're gonna keep working this game. Okay, so we're gonna wipe all the fenders and plastic off. Then we're gonna give you guys the final look at them, because we're saying we're done. That's the best we can get it right now. So let's get it showing. Okay guys, so this is what we did for the day. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know about you, but yeah, we're just gonna have to see you when we start putting the next one together. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next build.